Hey everybody, today's video is not a project build, it's just a record of this last weekend's events. Most of us, we go about our daily lives and we really don't get much of a chance to get out in the community and meet other woodworkers. So this weekend is one of those rare events where we actually get out and see what's going on in the woodworking community. And this is a record of that. So if you'd like to watch it, please feel free. If you're looking for a project video, this isn't it. Okay, so today's video is going to be not a project video. We're at the North Atlantic Trade Show Center in Georgia, and it's the Woodworking Show. So I thought I'd sneak in a little early and show you guys what this is all about. That's my favorite booth. Oh, look at this. You're not gonna believe this. Check this out. Okay. Who wants to play with that pile? So at this booth, we don't make anybody mad. Say something smart, guys.
Smart. Straight A's. How's that?
That's smart. So you might recognize some of the people that are here. Don't trust any of these guys, they're all crazy.
I met up with all these guys.
So for those of you who stuck around and watched the video, thank you very much. It was a rare event and a privilege to get out and meet, not only the creators of the videos here on YouTube, but everyone else. All the stories and talent that's out there is absolutely astounding. It's a real privilege to be part of that community. I also want to say a special thanks to Bosch and to Clearview Cyclones for supporting what we're doing, and they sent us a lot of stuff that we could give away at the booth this year, and it was really fun to see the excitement and the joy in people's eyes as they were walking away with valuable tools that they can use in their woodworking. So thank you guys. That's really great that you're doing that. And you know, it's a fun time. If you get a chance next year, we would love to see you. Thanks for watching. Here you go. Come on. Big one.